Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect Metatrader 5 with Vantage. Start by opening your web browser and go to the Vantage website and log in or create a new account. Once you are logged in, look at the top menu and find the three dots icon. Click on it to open more options. From the drop-down, go to the download section. Here you will see different platforms available. Find Metatrader 5 and download it to your device. Wait for the installation file to finish downloading. Then open it and follow the steps to install Metatrader 5. After installing, go back to the Vantage website. At the top menu, click on Account, then choose Open an Account. You will be asked to select either a live account or a demo account. Choose the option that suits your needs. Configure the settings as required. If you choose a demo account, simply fill out the form and submit it. Vantage will send your account credentials to your email address. Open your email inbox, find the message, and carefully copy the login details. Save them somewhere safe so you can use them easily. Now open Metatrader 5 on your device. At the top, click on File, then select Open an Account. In the search bar, type Vantage and wait for the server list to appear. Choose the correct server that matches the one mentioned in your email. Enter the login credentials you copied earlier. Double-check everything, then confirm to connect your account. You should now be successfully connected and ready to start trading. Thanks for watching.